Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will run better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In this video overview, we'll look at new version of program 2025.3. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2025.2. In all previous versions, you can start building your website from scratch or from template. In new version, you also can start chart. You can start new chart or continue existing one. The chart will ask you some questions. You need to reply on them. If you want better result, give as much information as you can. I won't show you all my answers. It can take a lot of time, but just few of them. After all information gathered, just continue to the next step. On this stage you can pick colors and fonts. On Set up your sitemap step, you can select pages you wish to see in your website. And now you can preview the website. Here we can see our main page with animation, some images, texts, buttons, and so on. Also here we can see blog posts, portfolio, of course you can change it, some services pages, all images and text you can change in the future. You can go to the contact page with a form. Here we can see shop with some products, filters. It's already set up. You can add products to the cart. Of course, the website is responsive. And of course, as I mentioned before, you can edit every page. As you can see, here we have all our pages that we saw a few seconds ago. For example, we can see home page. Here it is. For example, we can see this text. We can see here is the title. We can change it. Or here is the text. We also can change it. So that's how MagicSite works. It creates site, depends on your chat answers, and then you can change anything in program as you create website from scratch or from template. The next update is MagicText update. MagicText was added to the program starting from version 2023.2. It was updated in 2025.3. MagicText is artificial intelligence-powered writing assistant in Website X5 that helps create and optimize website text from product description to blog posts. Here we can see this tool, MagicText. For example, we can create text, We can translate it in different languages. For example, just write some description and click Create Text. As you can see, it writes it here. Of course, you can change it, remake it. Just click here and it will regenerate it once more. Also, you can copy it or insert it here. And now we'll see it on the website. Here it is. This tool works not only here in text object, it also works, for example, here in the title and in other objects where you can see text fields. For example, let's go here, we can see our blog posts, we can see the short text, but we can go to the blog, find the article, and create the text with this MagicText tool. But as you can see here, I change the language to Ukraine, and now it can write in Ukraine, in my native language. And just insert it. This is capture. Let's change back to English. For example, professional. Let's create paragraph. Insert it. Also, we can delete this. Or we can have some ideas. With these ideas, you can create new paragraphs and so on. So now there are more tools for MagicText tool and you can use it. In the following video tutorials and overviews, we will look at other useful objects and features of the program that will help you during website creation. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.